Cedar Point introduces Top Thrill 2. This record-breaking, next-generation motorsport machine races a course unlike any other on the planet. Sleek, aerodynamic vehicles launch you not once, not twice, but 3 times as you drive the sky in an epic competition to reach the finish line. Launch from 0 to 74 miles per hour and climb toward the sky and experience a rollback as the train shifts into reverse and enters its second launch. Speeding to 101 miles per hour, you'll accelerate backward and speed up a new, 90-degree, 420-foot-tall vertical tower and feel another moment of weightlessness before shifting into drive yet again, falling forward into the high-speed straightaway. A pedal-to-the-metal launch to 120 miles per hour, sending you to the top of the track, cresting the corner at 420 feet and right into a 270-degree spiral before crossing the finish line. Inspired by the excitement and camaraderie of motorsport racing, Top Thrill 2's entrance pavilion is an environment of high-energy action, calling new riders to join the world's greatest thrill team, CP Racing. Even if you're just a fan who likes to sit back and watch the race, you're still a part of the team as you witness triple launch history on the multi-tier grandstand. Top Thrill 2 coming to Cedar Point.